If you're getting as Epic Games login error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. These login issues are usually caused by a corrupted launcher cache, permission problems, a damaged installation, or even something as simple as a VPN interfering with the connection. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to clear the Epic Games launcher cache. This is one of the most effective fixes because the launcher stores temporary files that can become corrupted and block sign-in. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the run box. Then type %locale app data% and press enter. This will open the local app data folder on your computer. Inside this folder, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Then find the Webcache folder. In some cases, you may see more than one cache folder, such as Webcache, Webcache_4147, or similar names. If you do, delete those cache folders. Don't worry, this will not delete your games or your account. It only removes temporary launcher data, which will be rebuilt automatically the next time you open Epic Games. Once the cache is deleted, close the folder and try launching Epic Games again. If the login error was caused by a bad cache file, this alone may fix the problem right away. If it still doesn't work, go to the next step. Now, we're going to run the launcher as an administrator. Sometimes Epic Games needs elevated permissions to connect properly, especially after an update or when Windows has restricted access. Find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click it, then choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. After the launcher opens, try signing in again. If running as administrator fixes the issue, you may want to make that permanent. To do that, right-click the launcher, choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply and OK. This helps prevent permission-related login problems in the future. If the login error is still happening, the next step is to repair Epic Games through Windows Control Panel. Sometimes the launcher files become damaged or missing, and a repair can restore them without a full reinstall. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Once it opens, go to Programs, then Programs and Features. Find Epic Games Launcher in the list, click it, and choose Repair if that option is available. If you don't see Repair, you may need to use the Change option or reinstall the launcher. After the repair finishes, restart your computer and try logging in again. A restart is important because it makes sure Windows fully reloads the repaired files and clears any stuck background processes. Another very important thing to check is whether you are using a VPN. Epic Games login errors are often triggered by VPNs, proxies, or unusual network routes that interfere with authentication. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off completely and try signing in again. If you're using any privacy or network filtering software, disable that as well for the moment. Epic Games may block or struggle with certain connections, especially during the login process. If you're on a school, work, or shared network, try switching to a different internet connection if possible, such as a mobile hotspot or home Wi-Fi. That can help you figure out whether the problem is your network or the launcher itself. After you've done all of that, open Epic Games Launcher one more time and sign in. In many cases, clearing the Webcache folder, running the launcher as administrator, repairing the app, and turning off the VPN will completely solve the login issue. These are the most common fixes and they work for a lot of users dealing with Epic Games authentication problems. If this video helped you fix the Epic Games error login, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Epic Games or PC gaming issues. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.